Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about longest substring without duplicate characters. So this is one of the important logical program. So let's understand what is mean by longest substring without duplicate characters. So for example, this is our string and we have to find the longest string substring without any duplicate. For example, let's check for the first three A, B, C, A. So we can see that we are getting A again, right? So this is one substring with length as a 3. Or we can take here A is again duplicate, right? Again from B, if we take from B, here B is duplicate, right? So we can take up to R. So here the length of the substring will be 4 B C A R, right? Again from, if we take from C, C A R B C, again we are getting C. So this is the length 4. This is the maximum length, substring length, right? Again A R B C, this is again substring and which is of length 4. So this is the what we have to find. We have to find the maximum substring length without a duplicate characters. So here in this example we are getting it as a 4. So same way we have to find it for the this one ABC, ABC, BB. So which is, we can directly say that which is 3, right? So we have to find the logic. We have to write the logic to get this answer in a generic format. Like whenever we change the string, it should give the correct answer for that particular string, right? So now we have two different methods inside this class. We have class important logical programs, and inside this class we have one is main method, and inside this main method string str is equal to abc abc bb. We have taken the string as an integer. Result is equal to length of the longest substring, and we are passing parameter as a string str, right? And finally we are printing system dot out dot println longest substring length plus result. So this will be the result in the integer format, which will be like longest substring, like oh it will be 2 3 4 like that, right? Now let's understand this method length of the longest substring, which is this one static method, and we are passing parameter here as a string, right? String. So here string yes will be the string that we are passing here in the main method. So let's understand inside this method. We have declared hash set character set is equal to new hash set. Integer left is equal to 0, maximum length is equal to 0. So we have taken two variables, left is equal to 0 and maximum length is equal to 0. Then we have one of the important for loop here. So let's understand this for loop, which is very important. Integer right is equal to 0, right is less than yes dot length. So this yes will be same like string that is coming from the main method, right? String dot length right plus plus. So this loop will execute from 0 to str dot length, whatever the string length is, that this loop will execute for that. Again inside this for loop we have one while loop. What this while loop says is set dot contains, we are checking this set dot contains character string dot char at right. So we are checking this character inside this set. If the character is present inside the set, this loop this condition will be passed, and then only this loop will execute, otherwise it will not execute. Which means whenever the duplicate character is there, whenever the duplicate character will come, this will condition will pass, and this condition will go what is written inside this while loop is set dot remove yes dot caret left. So which will remove the previous very first character. Left means left we have declared as a 0, right? So it will remove the very first character, so that it will, for example, let's understand here. Okay, we have taken this as a, firstly we have checked A, then B, C, right? Again we are getting A as a duplicate, right? So now whenever duplicate comes, this condition pass, because inside the set we have already A, right? Because A is again coming on the third iteration or fourth iteration here. So A is again coming, right? Then this condition is passing because inside the set we have already A, and we are for the fourth iteration we are getting again A, right? So this condition passed. So what we'll do is set dot remove yes dot caret left. So left value will be 0. So so we have to remove the 0th place. Oh, so what we have inside the set on the 0th place, that is A. So A will be removed from the set, and this A will be added, right? Now left plus plus, because we are already removing on the 0th position, so next time we will need to remove on the first place, right? So that's next time we can get this value as a duplicate, so that's why we are increasing left plus plus. And again we have added here set dot add yes dot caret right. So again we are adding this character A, repeating character we are adding inside the set, because previously we have removed, right? And max length is equal to math dot max length comma right minus left plus 1. So this will find the maximum among this max length. So what is max length is equal to 0. Initially we have taken max length as 0, but every iteration it will get increase, value will get increased, because This will find the maximum among these two, max length or right minus left plus 1. So out of these two, this will find the maximum length, right? So this is how it will work. So for each iteration, the value will be checked inside the set value, and it will be added. It will the set inside the set we will add the character, and it will again check inside the character if the character is duplicate or not. So this is how this complete logic works in for this. So now let's execute the code and check whether we have written code correctly or not. So it should print longest substring as a 3, right? Now let's we have taken this example, right? So let's copy this and paste it here. Here we have added extra r here inside this instead of here after a. So it should now print a longest substring as a 4, right? So longest substring length is 4. It can be anything. It can be like abc, so it's not possible, but it can be like bcar, or from carb, or from arbc, like that. So the string length can be anything, but this is the maximum length we are getting. So it will we have this method is of return type, right? It will return the maximum length and we will get directly inside the result, right? This will be the 4 and it will print 4 here as it is. So this is the complete logic behind finding the longest substring without duplicate characters. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.